Hey, this is Chris Waddell from Cycle Solutions down at our Florida shop, Snowbird Speed Shop in Fort Myers Beach. Show you some fun stuff here. What we have is all new Milwaukee 8 stuff. This is all made for us by T-Man. This is a ported polished head. This will be 120 cubic inches when we're done. Nice valve springs. Cylinder pin board, a black ceramic piston. It's been fly cut. This particular kit uses the 216 T-Man cam rocks. We love it. So the throttle body, this is a cutaway, so you can see the actual intake plenum and the actual throttle body itself. It's a billet work of art. Horsepower Inc. builds that for us. That's the 120 cubic inch kit. This is the 124 inch kit built on the CVO, so it's the granite colored. It's bored a bit bigger. Again, a black ceramic piston, fly cut. This is the 226 cam. It's a huge cam for Milwaukee 8. And then the cylinder head. A picture's worth 1,000 words. We keep this stuff in stock. Let us know if we can help you. Thanks for tuning in.